This is the 2024 Jeep Gladiator Willys. This one has the American Expedition Upcountry Plus Upfit package. You all know the Willys name was born of a clear mission, and today we believe this Gladiator Willys is honoring that one that started it all. The new Gladiator Willys adds more capability for 2024 with a standard rear locking differential and off-road plus. It also comes standard with trailer tow, programmable auxiliary switches, LED headlamps and fog lamps, rock rails, and sludge mats. And this particular Willys showcases the new black graphics package from our Jeep Graphics Studios. And it has one of 3 different packages available from American Expedition vehicles. The Upcountry Plus package features AEV's 2-inch lift, KO2 35-inch tires, yes I said 35s, the AEV steel front bumper, and new Gladiator by AEV has some incredible stats. Take a look at those. And good luck finding any better priced midsize truck on the market with 35s. Whether you're answering the adventure call or increasing our capability with electrification or our new tech on the Gladiator, the Jeep brand has what both our community needs and wants. As I said at the start, we have some new Camp Jeep obstacles for you here this year. In addition to being able to walk under the track, we have this new off-camber bridge, as well as this crevasse that is inspired by the trails in Moab, all right here at Camp Jeep in Detroit. Make sure you check it out. And when you're at the tallest and steepest mountain in Detroit Auto Show history, you can look down at our kids zone, where the next generation of Jeepers are driving their own 4xEs. We may build Jeep vehicles, but it's the Jeep 4x4 community that has turned this brand into an icon. And here in Detroit, our community is thriving. Just last weekend, we got to connect with the local four-wheelers and tackle the terrain at Detroit's 4Fest. And that's the thing about the Jeep brand. It's not just an automotive brand. We are a community. We are an experience. We are off-road capable with trail-rated and desert-rated leadership, and we are the leaders in SUV electrification. That's why we can confidently say that Jeep, there's only one.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. American Expedition Vehicle or AEV is now offering exclusive outfit package for the new 2024 Jeep Gladiator. Customer can place AEV outfit order for the 2024 Gladiator through their local Jeep dealer this month. Vehicle will ship directly from the Toledo Assembly Complex to AEV for outfit, then the customer's dealer of choice. Available on Gladiator Sport, Willys, Mojave and Rubicon, AEV outfit come in 3 levels: Upcountry, Upcountry Plus, and Level 2. This exclusive outfit package, aided by the Level 2 increased capability of Gladiator with up to Level 2 specification: 16-inch of ground clearance, 36-inch of waterboarding, 57-degree approach angle, 26-degree breakover angle, 34-degree departure angle. Upcountry specification: 15-inch of ground clearance, 35-inch of waterboarding, 47-degree approach angle, 25-degree breakover angle, 33-degree departure angle. AEV Upcountry Upfit available on Sport, Willys, Mojave and Rubicon. AEV 2.0-inch suspension kit, AEV jack base, AEV Procol, AEV pinler wheels, 35 BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires, GPP or Mopar flare extension, AEV plug. AEV Upcountry Plus outfit available on Sport, Willys, Mojave and Rubicon. AEV EX front bumper, AEV non-winch cover plate, AEV 2.0-inch suspension kit, AEV jack base, AEV Procol, AEV pinler wheels, 35-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires, GPP Mopar flare extension, AEV block, AEV tailgate badge. AEV Level II Rubicon outfit available on Rubicon. AEV EX front bumper, AEV front skid plate, AEV 7000 series like, Warren Xeon 10S winch, AEV trail camera relocation kit, AEV 2.5-inch dual sport suspension with built-in 5100 shocks, upgrade steering stabilizer, AEV jack base, AEV Procol, 37-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires, AEV Savage Grid 2 wheels, GPP Mopar flare extension, AEV flick, and AEV Level II badging.